WhatsApp. The most used utility in our tech world, seamlessly. It has 5 billion plus users. There are some tips and tricks hidden in WhatsApp. If you don't know, don't worry. We are here to present those tricks for you. Basically, if a person turned off their read receipts, our messages will not show the blue tick even if they read it. Let's break this concept. We need to send a voice message and request them to play it. If they did it, the voice message will definitely show the blue tick, unlike others. This trick is used to view your messages without updating the last scene. There are two methods. Let's try the first method. First, you must clear all the recent apps and turn on the airplane mode. Then, open the WhatsApp and send a message to a recipient. Again, go back to the home screen and clear the recent apps, and turn off the airplane mode. Your mobile data will resume, and the message will be sent to them. When the recipient read your message, they will think, how you can send the messages without updating last scene. Try this trick and share your thoughts in comment section. Let's try the second method with Google Assistant. But make sure to clear your recent app. In the home screen, wake up your assistant. Okay Google. Then, I am going to ask to send one WhatsApp message to her. It will ask to choose the recipient to send the message. I am going to do this trick with our content creator. It will ask the content of the message. Then, request to send it. We don't know to review the playback of our voice message. To do this trick, you need to push upward the recorder and go back to the previous screen. And click again that recipient where you recorded your voice message. Your recorder will be paused. Then, tap the play button to review the recording. If you are not satisfied with your recording, click delete button. We hope it is the most useful trick. You can download the status without any third-party app. But don't forget to view the status. Go back and click the file manager. In your internal storage, click WhatsApp. Next, click Media folder. At the top corner of menu, click Show the hidden file. Now, you can see one file named .statuses. Click the folder. Your status will appear there. How is it? Exporting the chat concept is very easy. Click the menu, and tap More. Click Export Chat. You can see the file name. There are the provisions to share this chat file to any app. I am going to share it in WhatsApp. You can use Chrome to see your specific chat history. If anyone shares important file to you, you can share it in WhatsApp with yourself. Yes, but you must save your contact in your phone. Then, click Message in WhatsApp. Your number will appear in WhatsApp instead of your name. And you can see the blue tick in a second. Don't worry, it's you and not anyone. Then click the shared file and send forward it to yourself in your contact. This is funny trick but helps a lot. How annoying it is when your friends delete their messages before you can see them. The curiosity takes over. You just found the solution. WAMR, that is WhatsApp Message Recovery. With one tool, you are able to recover text messages and also any media attachments, such as pictures, videos, voice notes, audio, animated GIFs and stickers. When you open the app, turn on WhatsApp to monitor the deleted messages and click Next. But keep in mind, it can't recover messages that have been deleted before you installed this app. Enable the multimedia files and notification reader to receive the deleted messages. Allow the notification access. That's it. Here, you can see deleted messages, and here deleted media files, and here you can also download the status of our contact. Like this. The deleted messages will indicate in red color. You can also filter to read only the deleted messages. When you click the deleted media, you can share or download to the mobile storage for status also. We hope you enjoyed this video. Try this trick with your friends. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Cyano-Tech for more tricks update. Thank you for watching. We are logging off. See you soon, friends.